How to recover your Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Gmail application. Once you do, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the profile menu, simply head toward add an account. There you will be heading toward Google option. Verify your identification. Now here in login page, simply in the page where you need to enter your email or phone, click on forgot email. Now if you have the recovery email or phone number on your Gmail account, enter that and recover your account. If not, go to Google Chrome, search for account recovery, click on recovery email at the top. For better experience, you can simply turn on the desktop site on Google Chrome. Now, if this phone is the device in which you have created a Gmail account, you can simply verify your account and then log in with your Gmail account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.